Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. I have to get like a little dance, like my own little dance. I mean, I dance, but you know, like my channel dance. Anywho, I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today we're doing a little talk. Today we're doing a little show and tell on a wig because I don't know what happened. I updated this wig, but for some reason I was looking for the original review and noticed that I never either filmed it or put it up, or I'm not sure. And I've worn this wig a bunch of times. So in this video, you're going to get a really in-depth my thoughts on the wig. So the wig we're talking about today is Modell's Libby. Okay. And she is a lace parting wig. She is not a lace front. She has a 6-inch lace part. She's in the color GXBronze, and the coloring on this is so beautiful. You can see like these 27s, these sort of red tones in here. It's just a really realistic, sort of just a natural, like, you know, the sun has changed your hair color naturally. I really love that. It says that she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in a bunch of different colors. I absolutely love this wig for a few reasons. I love lace parting wigs. I think they're so simple and easy. They're really good for beginners. This is a yaki textured wig. I think the texture on this is beautiful. She's about 16, 18 inches, which I think is a great just everyday work wig or run into the store length. She doesn't really tangle. I mean, there's a little bit of tangling, but these yaki textures, which is more of a like, it has like a grip to it, they tend to not tangle as much because, you know, the fibers aren't slipping. Let's look at her from the back. She just feels super comfortable. Like I said, it's just an easy doable in length. I absolutely love this wig. She's one of the ones I'm keeping. The only reason I go back and forth on this wig is I don't particularly love wigs that are bumped in this hard. Like, so how she's sort of bumped in right here, that's how it's made. I don't love that, but I feel like when you do this, it's like perfect. So I don't know if I just need to actually just go through with a curling iron and retrain it, because I think if I did, I'd be super happy. In this, I mean, again, it's just a styling thing. But outside of that, she does have a little bit of baby hairs there. But outside of that, I absolutely love this wig. Because I forgot to review her, I don't have my purchasing information right on hand. But I'll put that down below, as I always do, where you can buy it, how much it costs, all of that sort of thing. So yeah, I think this is a great beginner wig. I think this is a great wig to look just easy, natural, throw on. Even if you're going out in this wig, you know, with some dramatic makeup, you could still look stunning, even without dramatic makeup. But I'm just saying, you don't have to have like a flashy wig necessarily to look stunning. I think this coloring is gorgeous. It's definitely in the base color, a number 2 at the root, but it goes into definitely a number 4. So this is sort of a natural dark brown, medium brown mix wig. And yeah, that's what I have to say about Libby. I like her a lot. I'm keeping her, so that should say a lot, because you know I have a jillion wigs and I don't keep most of them. So if you have Libby, please put that down below and what color you have and what you think of her. If you have another Modell lace parting wig, or a Modell wig in general that you would like me to review, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. I almost dropped my water. Bye.